had actually considered a degree in interior design for a few years, but hadn't been sure about returning to education as a mature student. And then 2020 came along and my perspective changed, and alongside those messages of stay at home and work from home, I thought, why not learn from home? PCA has completely overcome any potential issues of learning online and off campus. The resources and online access is incredible. The campus learning system means that lectures, they're literally just a click away, and they're recorded live, so it is easy to check back on stuff afterwards. For me, learning online does still feel really personal. We're in small groups, so it's easy to ask questions and keep on track with the lectures. I did know after that first session that I'd made the right decision. I felt so inspired. The creative way that PCA channels their learning practices is echoed online, and I find myself compelled to work as hard and as best as I can in all the tasks that we're given. Plus, I've discovered that learning as an adult is still really good fun. So my degree is in interior design, decoration and styling, but we complete a lot of the modules as a learning distance group. So that means, as well as getting new skills, the ideas and the best practice from those studying the likes of graphic design, commercial photography, illustration, fashion. It's very similar to actually working in industry. Plus, learning, presenting and completing work online mirrors how most people now actually work, so it's helping me prepare for that too.